In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subscribe to Spotify on iPhone, step-by-step guide. First, a quick heads up about how subscriptions work on iPhone. You can't start a Spotify premium subscription directly inside the Spotify app on iOS. Apple's in-app purchase rules mean the app doesn't offer a way to add payment details there. That's totally normal, and it's why we'll use your web browser instead. Don't worry, once you subscribe on the web, your premium benefits will show up in the app automatically. Start by opening Safari or any browser on your iPhone. In the address bar, type spotify.com and go to the Spotify website. Make sure you're on the official site before continuing. On the Spotify homepage, tap Login and sign in with the account you want to upgrade. Double check you're using the correct email or username so premium lands on the right account. If you already have the Spotify app installed, using the same login details keeps everything in sync. Once you're logged in, look for the menu icon in the top right corner and tap it. From the menu, select Premium. This takes you to Spotify's Premium page where you can review plan options and what each one includes. Next, tap Get Started. Pick the premium plan that fits your needs, whether that's individual, duo, family, or student, depending on availability in your region. Take a moment to read the features and pricing so you know exactly what you're getting. You'll now be asked to enter payment details. Choose the payment method you prefer, such as a credit or debit card or PayPal. Carefully enter your information, including the card number, expiration date, and security code if you're using a card. Make sure your billing details match your bank or PayPal account to avoid any verification hiccups. When everything looks correct, tap Buy Now to confirm the purchase. After a moment, your account will be upgraded to premium. You'll typically see a confirmation on the screen, and you may receive an email receipt as well. From here, your billing will be handled by Spotify directly, not through the App Store. What happens next is the fun part. With Premium, you can download songs for offline listening, skip tracks without limits, and enjoy your music without ads. For a quick sync, open the Spotify app on your iPhone again. Your premium access should appear automatically. If it doesn't refresh right away, closing and reopening the app usually does the trick. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Spotify tips and tutorials.